Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on this look right here. This video is actually from the first time that I've ever tried doing this hairstyle when I went on vacation a couple of weeks ago, and I followed off of like a TikTok video tutorial, and it was like 15 seconds like sped up, and it was actually way easier than it looks, and I absolutely loved how it turned out. So I'm here to do like a more in-depth tutorial for you guys. When I posted that video on my Snapchat, so many people slid up asking me to do a tutorial. So if you can follow like those quick 15-second videos, I'm here to kind of break it down and show you how to do it step by step, or if you just want to see how I personally did the look on myself. When I first came across the hair tutorial video from TikTok, it looked like really complex and it looked like it would be like really time consuming, but it actually wasn't. Just like the two braids themselves only take about like 8 to 10 minutes if you know how to braid. Obviously, if you guys don't know how to braid, I would suggest looking up a separate tutorial and learning how to do that first, and then coming back to this video. But you do have to have like kind of like a base of if you want like straight hair or curly hair. I personally am gonna do straight because that's how I like it best. So I have my bun and a hair right now. My hair is not naturally straight. I have like kind of naturally wavy hair, so I always like to straighten my hair. You guys know this. I constantly have my hair straightened. So to straighten my hair today, I'm going to be using the Diva Ring. I'm not sure how to say that word. It's a professional styling iron. So what's different about this than from any other flat or straightening iron is you can not only straighten your hair, but you can also curl it. So it's basically like a 2-in-1. And you could do like multiple types of curls with this. It has like instructions on the back, so if you would want to know how to do that, it's really simple to follow on the back here. So Duval did send me this styling iron to try out. As you guys can see, it is still in the package. You guys know how much I like to stick to my same old straightening iron, but this one has a 5-star review, and everybody that I've heard that tried it really loved it, so I wanted to give it a shot. And it also has titanium plates, so it's supposed to be like better for your hair, and it's not supposed to like burn or fry it. And it also has like rounded plates, so you can have like more styling options, which is really cool. It's 5 pre-programmed digital settings for your hair, so like basically the heat on how hot you want it to be. So this is what it looks like, and I also have a promo for you guys. You guys can use Tori CC right here on the screen for 70% off. I'll also have everything linked down below, so if you are interested, please be sure to check out the description box below. I'll leave it at the very top for you guys. I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle like I normally would and brush my hair. So to dial through the different heat temperatures, you just press the button, and with each click it'll go up one, and it goes from 270 to 450. So I think I'm going to use the 410 because that's around the temperature that I would use my other straightener at. This was with going down it just once, and this is what my hair was before. It honestly looks like it didn't take the shine away from my hair. Like, as you can see, it still looks like super healthy. Okay, so I'm just gonna straighten the rest of my head, and then I will see you guys after I'm done with that. Also, you guys, keep in mind that you don't have to do straight hair as like the base. You can really do like whatever you want. If you want to leave your hair like how it is naturally, or if you want to curl it, it is just like whatever you want. Also, you guys, something that I just noticed about this styling iron was it has like these 2 textured areas on the top of the iron, and that is for like to hold so it doesn't like get as hot, so you can like kind of clamp together, and like depending on what you're using with the styling iron, it'll just like help you achieve like a easier grip on the iron. Okay, so I just finished straightening my hair, and as I was putting down this iron, I noticed that it has like these 2 like rubber extended points on the edge of the iron, so when you sit it on a table, the actual irons, if they're on, don't touch whatever tabletop you're putting them on, so it won't like damage any like wood or like burn anything, which is really good. Moving on to the braided part, you're gonna want to section your hair going from the points of your eyebrows, so like right here, and you're just gonna go back to the crown of your head. Or you can go like from your temple or wherever you want, but I just go from the arch Make sure the line is very straight because you'll be able to see this. Whatever section you just parted and tie that off separately from the rest of your hair. Okay, so now that you have like these two parts sectioned off, separate them from the rest of your hair and take the remaining back into a ponytail like that. Make sure you're not missing any pieces because if you miss any pieces, they are going to get incorporated into your braids, which isn't going to look good. So you can now take off one side, whichever one you're going to do first. I chose my left. Now that this is what it looks like, brush your hair back so it kind of like falls back rather than just being like flat this way. And then you're just going to start to braid it. So take a very small piece at first like that. And it helps to tilt your head back as well. And just start braiding that. Again, like I said, if you need help with braiding, that's a different video. But I'm going to be doing Dutch braiding. Once you have your three pieces, just go on and braid like you normally would, taking very small pieces at first because you don't want the braid to start too far back. So once you start to get to the back, you'll notice that like the pieces from your braid, there are only be like a little bit of hair left. That's when you're gonna wanna incorporate like basically all the hair left. And then after you know that there's no more hair left from the back, just braid down and basically finish the rest. Braid as far down as you can without like running out of the pieces, and I'm using clear elastics to tie that off. So it should look something like this. And the braid should fall like semi to the back, like it shouldn't be like falling like right to the side like that. And if it is, you probably didn't braid back far enough so that it could sit like on the back of your head. Now to move on to the other side, it's gonna look a little bit crazy for now. But once we take out the back ponytail, it'll all blend in and look nice. Okay, so I'm now out of pieces, so I'm gonna continue to braid back and finish the rest. It's kind of hard to show you guys like up close because I have to kind of tilt my head down to get in the camera angle, and I kind of have to tilt my head back so like the remaining hair doesn't like fall into and get like messed up. And then tying that off with the clear elastic again. So make sure the lengths of the braids are about the same. These are. And then lastly, just take your hair out of the ponytail. That is the final hair. So as you can see, this is what I was talking about when I said about you'll be able to see like the side parts. So you want to make sure they're straight and not like going diagonal, and just like make them as even as you possibly can. And this is the back. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what color your hair is naturally. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all of my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. Also, if you guys are interested in purchasing this Duval styling iron, I will leave all the links down below at the top of the description for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.